guys, today I'm playing with most of my friends, Cute-chan, Glitter Unicorn, and the one and only
Emily!
So we're going to be making a building game.
Yes, I'm making a house.
Yes, we're making a house.
I'm making my beads, my dance.
Dance studio.
Yes.
And I'm going to be making a house.
Yes.
Wait, let me say to Glitter that it's already started.
Okay. 31 my 360 yeah.
Okay, I just told her.
That?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
What? It was actually my birthday yesterday, so.
Where's the rest ring?
And Emily was as well. Because we're twins.
But some of the videos
What the hell?
Some of the videos, I don't know in the videos.
Not all of them. Some of them.
Yeah, because I like eating them.
Yeah, I do ask her, but she normally says no because she
I'm
don't.
busy. I'm making my own videos.
Let's just get started into building my place.
I fake my videos.
She fakes!
I fake them.
Oh wait, what? Oh my god!
Oh, you love that, dude.
Wait, if I move it. I got rid of my glasses!
B.
I got rid That rhymes.
I got rid of my grass.
Let's run it up!
Oh,
wait,
no.
what? Did that magically just appear? Wait, what? No, I copied it.
No.
Ages ago. Wait.
Did I copy it from my grass? You made your own bean. Wait, did you copy it?
No, I'm making a house with it.
Like
Did I just get rid of it? No.
You just got rid of it.
Someone just got rid of it. No! Stop getting rid of them. Bruh. Oh my god. Wow.
Yeah.
Who did that? You idiot! Why are you doing this?
Stop. Yes, stop.
I'm trying to build a house! Don't you dare get rid of it again. Like, I'm gonna scream if you do. And I'm not joking.
Wait, that was really next. We're taking this away.
No, she's not. And that question mark. What the?
Oh, saber. Saber, yay.
No, it's not.
This?
Go for it then.
Oh, no, I did. Yeah, you just like over it, didn't you?
No, look. Watch. If I do this, then you go for it. Look, go for it. No. And if I let go, then you can't go for it. Wait, stand still. No, go away. Stand still. Not there. Over there. Oh my goodness gracious me. For God's sake, where are you going? Oh, you can't do it to you. You don't have enough. I have a hat that you can take off. Take it off. Let's make a house, Emily.
Okay, that's the one thing too.
Shift and shift.
Look at top, look on sky.
Yeah, I know it's black.
No.
There's a black cloud.
Yeah, what is that?
It's just so you can't see what's above it. I don't know why you're not supposed to see above it. I'm gonna make a rainbow door.
Oh, the big bushes. Oh, that's very nice for me.
Ew, it's creepy.
Weird bushes ever.
I'm
looking
looking
on
at my
Emma's
screen right now. That's why I'm looking.
Look at Glitter, she's doing that.
I can do that to mine.
Got frozen legs.
Wait, what the hell happened to this?
She's thinking a horror thing.
Let's make another one of these.
Oh, I can't do it now.
Like, I can't. Emily, are you even gonna care to build?
No, I am bad. I don't even know how to use it.
Oh, this, and this, and this,
Ooh,
and this.
Little pattern carpet.
No. gonna colour them all brown.
Ew.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna colour it all white and make it.
Poop.
I'm gonna colour it all white.
Oh, like chocolate. Is that from chocolate?
No, I'm gonna make it all white and make it pebble so it looks.
Bacon.
Ew.
Bacon strips.
Bacon strips. The
Let me make a few props.
no, never. You're so weird. Weird. Weirdo. Why are you saying I don't know? You just said it again. You should have said I don't know why because it's not I don't know. I go to school. Wait, I just did one more than I was supposed to. You're weird. Wow.
What are you doing?
Malaya? Oh, Malaya. Oh, Malaya.
Should we do it again?
Hello, body, 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 body. Body, body, boo. Let's colour these.
Can we do music? Can we put music on it?
Yeah, awesome. River run. No, you can't do dances because it's not gonna work. Pebble. See, look at that. That actually looks quite cool, doesn't it? Look.
Well, they're like cheese.
No, it didn't work because you didn't do a space. And you don't have admin.
Oh, okay. I'll put the numbers on it.
Whoa! Should I do it like this? Wait, what?
You put letters. Oh, that's so cute. It's adorable.
Emily,
Just
should I just... Emily,
yeah, you look like you got bacon strips.
bruh. Emily,
Yeah.
should I make this... Ah! And do that?
Oh, a big one over here.
Yeah, no. There's a baby one. No, you can't scream at the baby one. It sounds like you're saying it's cute.
Oh, that's so cute.
It's not cute.
This is so. What is this crispy thing?
It's fence. Not like it, but
Please.
I'm the worst builder ever.
Oh, what is that?
I built a dance studio, but hey, it doesn't look as good.
Is this the entrance to Jim? House. House. You need to put a capital with the guinea. I don't know what it is. What is this?
Fence.
Fence. I talked to her. Fence. I didn't talk to her.
Oh, I didn't see your chat of that. Because you were chatting to her.
Yeah, I don't know why because I didn't know.
Oh, I know. I'm going to make these red. Wow, that did not work, did it?
Maybe your studio looks better.
What?
Wait, what are they? I think it's supposed to be studio. Too high. I should have done it. Oh no, I can't believe like people try to bring us to like to show like a poses to red sad, and then they bring like me. He wants to bring you. He brings me.
Yeah. Oh,
hi guys. Wait, what? Oh hi.
Hi, Nebby.
I'll make notes on what? Wait, what is a nabby? What is a nap?
It's Nabby. Nabiha.
I call it nap.
Nabiha.
I call it name.
No, her name is Nabiha.
Amy was senior at Inspiration. Now she is junior because of...
Wait, no, Phoebe, Amy was senior at Inspiration, now she's junior because of that. Oh, for God's sake.
Wait, what? I'm a senior coach. I'm this coach.
No, you were supposed to be... Yeah, you are a senior. But you were supposed to be... You are a senior, but you're now a junior because of that.
I swear to God, I'm going to check if Kiki's picked her as... Yes. Oh.
Wait. She put it.
She. All I'm gonna do is she. She did something. Why would I be right now? This is crazy. She won't be the second and president.
She won't be the second
President.
president.
She won't be the second president. I'll make the door. Go.
No. No. Only me and glitter
And me.
and Amit. No.
Me and Lizard and so like you like put Anna's face. She put what's that face in the end? I don't know.
It means like. Cobblestone.
Wait.
Is it cobblestone?
I do stuff and I don't know what even is. I do it sometimes. I don't
Cobblestone.
even know.
Do you know what cobblestone is? Look, this is cobblestone.
I know.
Wacky, 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 wah, 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 ali, ali, ooh. That's a crying face. It's like an angry crying face. Like, when someone's done something wrong, and they weren't supposed to do it, and you just told them not to do it, that's what face you make. No, it's like, oh my god, face. You don't, Emily doesn't know the basic faces of Roblox.
Oh, you people like before me, like when you were baby, and I was like,
I was only 4.
I started when I was like 6. I can't remember.
Yeah, so I've been on like about 4 years.
I think I like
2.
years.
Yeah.
Oh,
Life is boring.
no, it isn't.
It is boring when you don't have Roblox.
Yeah, true. We have nothing to do. Or Minecraft. That's true.
I hate Minecraft.
I know, but still, you can't keep.
You can't live it. Some people can't live with it. Without it.
Yeah, I can't live with it.
Well, we're going to be doing a part 2 anyway, guys.
I'm like, I can't live without watching every day. I have no game tab except on Roblox and Minecraft. I'm like, I hate Minecraft.
Yeah, I know. We
Put chalk on the wall, baby. Baby, put chalk on the wall.
I did it.
I.
What am I doing?
Oh, look at her. She's just I'm like the best one here.
Don't make that noise, Emily.
Why?
Because it sounds rude.
I don't know why. What is this supposed to be?
No, you spawn in the house, woman.
You spawn in the house. You're best talking.
No, let's spawn it. Let's make a spawn in the house.
Spawn in the house, they'll be sucking it.
No, look, Emily. This is going to be magical. When I do this, reset, and you're going to spawn in my house.
Okay, reset.
No.
I can still reset. I can still reset. I'll spawn. Oh, nice doors.
3. Wait, what? Now, reset.
See my set. No, don't spawn now. I spawn here. Wait, I spawn here. Wait, did she put a spawner there? Or was that spawner already there? Someone's changed it. Take it away, please. Yeah, put it there.
Reset again. Woman.